Hi, my name is Leah and today I'm going to teach you how to build a computer. Before you start, you want to touch bare metal to discharge any static electricity. Next, you want to carefully place the CPU on the motherboard. Be careful not to bend any pins. Next, attach the heat sink and cooling fan to the motherboard. Also plug in the fan's power plug. Carefully seat the memory modules onto the motherboard until the plastic clamps automatically lock them in place. Make sure to inspect your ATX case prior to installation to verify that no damage had occurred during shipping. Next, slide the side panel off to access the inside of your desktop case. Line up the I/O plate to the motherboard and secure the board using brass headers with screws. Go ahead and connect the SATA cable to both the motherboard and the hard drive. Bolt the hard drive into the ATX case with the screws provided. Next, secure the power supply into the ATX case. And of course, you're going to want to reattach the side panel. Remember to connect the power, video, keyboard, and mouse cables. Congratulations, you've just built a computer. Now you can install an operating system and get rolling.